So I'm reading the comments now on the vote for GuitarmageddonZL1's idle video. I'm at 367 votes for number 2. Number 1, I can tell, just doesn't have the votes. I'm going to count number 3. If I get past 367, that's the winner. So I'm doing it kind of quick. I'm searching for 3 that has 97 matches, and for 1, 17, for 2, 31. But then when I go number 3, we have 320. So beats the 2s that I already counted to 367. And just for comparison, 210. So there you have it. Number 3 is the winner. For all of you that voted for number 1 and number 2, well, you didn't win. Try harder next time. I'm just kidding. Thanks for voting. Thanks for commenting, and I hope you enjoy our next videos.
Sweet. You don't want this though.
You don't steal it. That's a customer's car. Don't steal it. So it looks like it's Z06 day here at Complete Street. We got 1 supercharged C6 Z06, 2 supercharged C6 Z06s, 3 supercharged C6 Z06. Oh, and another Z06, a C7. Pretty cool. So the supercharged C7 that we did a while back, we are going to see what kind of improvements we get with headers, a smaller pulley, and meth. It did mid 500s before, and and let's see how much of a gain we get. Just did 672 and 611. And this is up from 542. Check out that difference. That's a big difference. Power everywhere. It's me again. So, we're dynoing this 2014 Camaro that we did our stop stall camshaft in, as well as headers. Usually this is a really good daily driver package, and I hope you enjoy it. There's one other thing that we need to change in this car. Let's do it now. Baseline numbers are in, 422, 402. This is with our pre-tune. It went a little lean, so I shut her off early. We're going to rev this thing out to about 6,900 and see how close we can get to the 430 mark. Okay, we've made some adjustments. Let's see what she does. Torque, that's pretty good. That power band is awesome. Look at that. It is just broad. Beautifully broad, holds the power out nicely, all the way to 6,900 RPMs. This is a fantastic build for anybody with an automatic Camaro SS. It flies on the street and drives very, very well. Let's do the shift points. So you guys probably heard the limiter at the top of 5th gear. That is a hard-coded limiter at 5,800 RPMs in 5th gear. And 6th gear will not even enable at that speed. There's nothing I can do in the tune, at least as HB Tuners allows me access to it. I cannot make any adjustment to shift into 6th gear at wide open throttle. So this car is limited with the 391 gears to about 143 miles per hour. And that's at the top of 5th gear. Kind of crazy, but it still should be a pretty quick car. Great news, guys. The track is opening this weekend. Bad news is it snowed. Ah, god damn it, Alex! Nick and I were planning to go to the track on Saturday, and we can't go to the track anymore because, well, there's all that snow on the ground. And the winds are like crazy, so they're calling it. It's kind of disappointing because I really wanted to get the CTS-V down there, and Nick wanted to see some first passes with his car, but we'll just have to wait another week. They're planning to open as soon as they can now, which is great because in the north here, the tracks close over winter. I mean, everybody from the north like understands this. The people from the south, your tracks don't really close, so like, good for you. But you know, here the tracks are going to reopen soon, and we're going to get our cars down there. I'll have the wagon. That's the first car I want to take down, and then probably the ZL1, and then the Corvette again. So I can't take them all at once because it's just me. But it'll be exciting, and I can't wait to see what Nick's car does. As you guys see from his video, it made a lot of horsepower, over 1100 to the wheels, which is pretty badass. And I'm looking forward to that matchup with some of his friends. That'll be pretty cool. We're trying to build this channel really good for you guys. We want to build this up in something that you guys enjoy watching. So what we want you to do is comment about things that you would like to see from the channel, such as, I'd like to see this comparison with this car, or I'd like to see this product featured, or hey, how about these two, like what do you think of that? We'd like to put that in. Also, things like get a better camera, we're already working on that. And it should be in the upcoming videos. We should have some better quality videos in the future. So that's actually, you know, good. But we are listening, especially all those like nasty comments. We are listening. Yes, we're listening to all the comments, and we are looking forward to you know, what we can do for you guys, and you know, get through this all together. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Have a great day, guys.